Welcome. As you can see, I've prepped my skin with this moisturizer. We're going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I love this primer because it's going to make my skin look very dewy. And as you can see, I'm pressing it in the center of my face. We're going to use the Benefit Brow Pencil to shape my brows. We're going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Brow Definer. I've been loving it because it gives my brow definition as well as it holds it down. And I've been using this one size concealer for a while now and I am obsessed. The color and the way it dries down is amazing and it's good for just wearing on its own. As you can see, I'm placing this in the center of my face. I'm going to blend out that concealer at the bottom of my brow as well as the top just to give it more of a defined shape. Next, I am going to blend out this concealer in the center of my face because that's where I feel like I need the most coverage, and this is the only liquid product that I will be using. Next, I'm going to take this Laura Mercier powder with this powder puff that I got from Amazon. We'll link it down below. I'm going to set all areas that I placed the concealer. Going to use this Natasha Denona palette. I'm going to use the light shade and the dark shade. I'm going to put that dark shade in my crease. Then I'm going to place that lighter shade on my lid and go back in with the darker shade just to give my eyes a little bit more definition. And also take that darker shade on the lower lash line just to give the eye a complete look. Obsessed with this Lancome Eyedowel mascara. It is amazing. If you don't wear false lashes but you want that false lash look, definitely get this mascara. And I'm also going to place it on the lower lash line to give myself that baby doll look. As you can see, I messed up, but we'll take care of that, no problem. So I'm going to take this Ben Nye face powder palette. I'm going to use the top right two shades. This is the only palette that really has my shade complexions. So I'm just going to tap that over the places where I didn't put makeup. And then I went in with this blush, obsessed with this blush palette because it is very potent, as you can see. Then I went back in with that face powder just to blend it in because I used too much blush on both sides. This is also good as an eraser just to take away some of the blush so it doesn't look crazy. I'm going to spray the Milk Setting Spray. Love this because it gives me a hydrating look. Then I'm going to go in with the Ben 9 Final Seal. I love to use 2 sprays on myself as well as my clients just to make sure that that look is sealed in all night long. And last but not least, I'm just going to pop some lip gloss on because we keeping it cute, we keeping it simple. We don't really need much. Okay, so here is my outfit plus fragrance. Something that I'm currently obsessed with is this brand at Sephora called Clean Reserve in the scent Skin. This is what she looked like. She smells so good. It's a very fresh scent, but it smells kind of sweet. So definitely perfect for a date night. Okay, so here is the outfit. It is super cute, super casual for where we're going. This is a shirt from Nordstrom's. It's called Open Edit Line. Pants are Zara. The boots are from Amazon. And I really have this, and I also have this really old bag from Aldo. I just wanted to wear this because it's super small. But yes, that is it for this portion of the video. And I will see you guys at the location that we're going to. An element of surprise. So I will see you guys real soon.